Here it is, the first bigger print on the Neptune 4 Pro. I will say I did go a bit crazy with the brim and the supports. I just wanted it to make sure it turned out good, so I'm sure it would have without most of that, but let's get it off the build plate and see how it really looks. Let's get it all off here, see how easy it comes off. Oh, not too bad. Not bad at all, actually. Really good. I am very happy with that so far. Just hopefully it all looks good. Oh, well, we lost an arm. Oh, and we lost another arm. Okay, so now my axolotl don't have any arms. So, it was at least printed well, and it was just me. Well, it's pretty thin on the bottom there. So, I think it was just my fat hands that broke it. The other one completely snapped off. It's not even there anymore. Well, that sucked. Can I save the back ones? Nope, they're just as thin. Okay, well, other than the feet breaking off, I'd say it looks really good, print-wise. Poor feet. Probably shouldn't have used supports on those. Probably would have turned out a lot better if I didn't. And, yeah, so there's the 1 foot axolotl. First decent-sized print on the Neptune 4 Pro.